Hello everyone, this is SM Mali, lecturer, Department of Statistics, Gokti PU College of Commerce and Science, Belagavi. Welcome you all in my second lecture on interpolation and extrapolation. In the previous lecture, we have studied definitions and assumptions of interpolation and extrapolation. Also, we studied the methods of solving examples on interpolation and extrapolation by binomial expansion method and Newton's advancing difference method. Also, we have seen in binomial expansion method that we have to use binomial coefficients or binomial coefficient table to get the desired equations. Now, we will see what is the binomial coefficients. Here, n is nothing but the number of known values of dependent variable y. So, for different values of n, we have some coefficients. For example, if n equal to 1, we have the coefficients 1 and 1. If you have two known values of y, then we have the coefficients 1, 2, 1. If we have three known values of y, then we have the coefficients 1, 3, 3, 1. Similarly, if we have four known values of y, then we have the coefficients 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. If five known observations, then the coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 and so on. So these statistical tables are available in the statistical tables. Now let's solve examples on binomial expansion method. These examples will come in the exam for 5 marks as question number 29. Let's see first example. Following is the data relating to production. Estimate the production for 2006 and 2010 by binomial expansion method. And here data is given year and production in tons. Year 2005, the production is 5. For 2006, we have to estimate the production. 2007, production is 10. 2008, production is 15. 2009, production is 26. And for 2010, the production we have to estimate. Now in the solution, year we have to denote by y because it is an independent variable. And production we have to estimate by y. Further, y values for different year we have to denote by y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5 by using the known values of y. See here how many known values of y. Here y0 is given 1, this is second value, this is third value and this is fourth value. Means out of these 6 values, 4 values are known. Therefore, here since the known values of y are n equal to 4, see here, n equal to 4 are the known values, the fourth leading difference will be 0. That is nothing but y minus 1 raised to 4 equal to 0, this equation, or delta raised to 4 equal to 0. Further, y minus 1 raised to 4 equal to 0 can be expand like this, y minus 1 raised to 4 equal to y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0 equal to 0. Let's see how to get this equation from n equal to 4. Here n equal to 4, so start with suffix of y by 4. See here 4, then reduce by 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So start with y, suffix of y as 4 and reduce the suffix by 1. That is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then sign. Start with positive sign. Let's see the sign of y4. Here nothing is there means plus sign is there. Here nothing is there means plus sign is there. y4 is plus. Then alternative sign. Here plus, then minus, then plus, minus, plus. And see the coefficients of y. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. 1, then 4, 6, 4, 1. These coefficients you will get in the binomial coefficient table. So this equation we can write with the help of known values of y and the binomial coefficients which are available in the statistical table. Then this is the equation number 1. The second equation can be obtained by increasing suffixes of each term of y by 1 and keeping the coefficients same. In the above equation number 1, we are going to increase the suffix of y by 1, but no change in the sign of y and the coefficient of y. Let's see the equation number 2. That is, increase the suffix of y by 1. See here 4 is there. So we have to write y5, then minus 4, y4. Here 3 is there, we have to write 4. Here 2 is there, increase by 1 means 3. Here 1 is there, so increase the suffix by 1 means here 2. And 0 is there, increase it by 1 means it is 1. No change in the sign and the coefficient of y terms. Now from equation 1, from this equation, this equation I will write here once again, that is y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0 equal to 0. In this equation we are going to put the values of y from the previous table. See here y4 is there, you can observe previous table, y4 is 26, then minus sign, 4 into y3, 4 into y3 value is 15, that is 4 into 15, then plus sign, 6 into 10 is a value of y2, minus 4y1 as it is, because that value we have to estimate, plus y0 value is 5 equal to 0. So after simplification you will get 26 minus 15 into 4 is 60, plus 6 into 10 is 60, minus 4y1 as it is, plus 5 as it is equal to 0. Simplify further, you will get 31 minus 4y1 equal to 0. 31 is equal to 4y1, get to right side, you will get 31 equal to 4y1. Therefore y1 equal to 31 divided by 4. Therefore y1 equal to 7.75 tons. That is nothing but the production for the year 2006 is 7.75 tons. This is the first missing observation. Then by using equation number second, equation, that equation is y5 minus 4y4 plus 6y3 minus 4y2 plus y1 equal to 0. Put the values of y in this equation, you will get y5 as it is because it is not given, then minus 4 into y4 value is 26, plus 6 into y3, that is 6 into 15, minus 4y2, 4 into 10, plus y1 value is 7.75 equal to 0. Simplify it further, you will get y5 minus 104 plus 90 minus 40 plus 7.75 equal to 0. Simplify further, you will get y5 minus 46.25 equal to 0. Therefore, after simplification, you will get y5 equal to 46.25 tons. That is, the production for the year 2010 is 46.75 tons. This is the solution for first example. Then let's move to the second question. For the following data, interpolate and extrapolate the sales for the year 2007 and 2010. Here, year and sales are given. Year 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are given. For 2006, sales are 13. 2007 sales we have to estimate. 2008 25, 2009 38, 2010 is 65, and 2011 sales statistics we have to estimate. Then in the solution, year you denote by X and sales denote by Y. Further, Y values are denoted for different years as Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5. Now let's find how many known values or given values of Y. Here Y0 is given, Y2 is given, Y3 is given, Y4 is given. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 known values or given values. That is, since the known values of Y are n equal to 4, the fourth order leading difference will be 0. That is, y minus 1 raised to 4 equal to 0 or delta raised to 4 equal to 0, as we have seen in the previous question. Now y minus 1 raised to 4 we can expand like this. That is y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0 equal to 0 by using binomial coefficients from statistical table. Now the second equation, this is the first equation as it is. Then second equation can be obtained by increasing the suffixes of each term of y and keeping the coefficients same. So if you increase the suffix of y from this equation by 1, you will get this second equation. That is y5 minus 4y4 plus 6y3 minus 4y2 plus y1 equal to 0. Let's denote this equation as equation number 2. Now by using equation number 1, by using this equation, that equation again I will write here. That is y4 minus 4y3 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 plus y0 equal to 0. Now in this equation, put the values of y from the previous table. If you put the values of y in this equation, you will get 65 minus 4 into 38 plus 6 into 25 minus 4y1 as it is that we have to estimate plus 13 equal to 0. Simplify further, you will get 65 minus 152 plus 150 minus 4y1 as it is plus 13 equal to 0. Simplify further, you will get 76 minus 4y1 equal to 0. That is 76 equal to 4y1. Therefore y1 equal to 76 divided by 4. Therefore y1 equal to 19. That is, the sales for the year 2007 is 19. Now let's find another missing observation by using equation number 2. Equation number 2 is y minus 5 minus equation number 2 is y5 minus 4y4 plus 6y3 minus 4y2 plus y1 equal to 0. Now put the values of y from the previous table in this equation. You will get y5 minus 4 into 65 plus 6 into 38 minus 4 into 25 plus 19 equal to 0. Simplify further, you will get y5 minus 260 plus 228 minus 100 plus 19 equal to 0. If you simplify further, you will get y5 minus 113 equal to 0. That is y5 equal to 113. That is, the sales for the year 2011 is 113. So this is the second question. Now let's move to the third question. Interpolate the business in 1982 and extrapolate for the year 1984 from the following data. Here the data is given year and business in lakhs. In 1978 the business is 80 lakh, 1979 it is 150, 1980 it is 235, 1981 it is 365, then 1982 business we have to estimate, 1983 business is 780 lakh, and 1984 we have to estimate. Now in the solution, here as usual we will denote by x because it is a independent variable, and business we will denote by y. Further, the y values for different years are denoted by y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. Now let's count the number of known values of y. See, known values 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5 known values of y are there. Since the known values of y are n equal to 5, the fifth order leading difference will be 0. Now let's see fifth order leading difference, that is y minus 1 raised to 5 equal to 0 or delta raised to 5 equal to 0. Now this y minus 1 raised to 5 equal to 0 can be expand like this, y minus 1 raised to 5 equal to 0, that is y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 equal to 0. Here as usual n equal to 5, so suffix start with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Sign as I told, first start with plus, then minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and the coefficients of y are, here it is nothing is there, means 1 is there, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5 and 1. These coefficients for n equal to 5 you will get in the binomial coefficient table. So let us denote this equation as equation number 1. Then the second equation can be obtained by increasing the suffixes of each term of y by 1. In the equation number 1, increase the suffix of y by 1 and write the equation. Here suffix of y we have to increase by 1, you will get second equation, that is here 5 is there, write y6, here 4 is there, write 5y5. Similarly plus y, similarly that is the second equation is y6 minus 5y5 plus 10y4 minus 10y3 plus 5y2 minus y1 equal to 0, and denote this equation as equation number 2. Now from the equation 1, that is from this equation, that equation is here, y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 equal to 0. In this equation, put the given values of y which are available in previous table. After putting the values, you will get 780 minus 5y4 plus 10 into 365 minus 10 into 235 plus 5 into 150 minus 80 equal to 0. Simplify further, you will get 780 minus 5y4 plus 3650 minus 2350 plus 750 minus 80 equal to 0. Simplify further, you will get 2750 minus 5y4 equal to 0. Then 2750 equal to 5y4, therefore y4 equal to 2750 divided by 5. Simplify further, you will get y4 equal to 550 lakh. That is, the business for the year 1984 is 550 lakh. Then from second equation is here, y6 minus 5y5 plus 10y4 minus 10y3 plus 5y2 minus y1 equal to 0. In this equation, put the values of y which are available in the previous table. By putting all the values, you will get y6 minus 5 into 780 plus 10 into 550 minus 10 into 365 plus 5 into 235 minus 150 equal to 0. Simplify further, you will get y6 minus 3900 plus 5500 minus 3650 plus 1175 minus 150 equal to 0. After simplification, you will get y6 minus 1025 equal to 0. Therefore, y6 equal to 1025 lakhs. That is, the business for the year 1984 is 1025 lakhs. So this is the third example on binomial expansion method. In the next class, we will solve some more examples. Thank you.